Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can wipe your Facebook clean or how you can delete all posts at once. So if you want to clear your Facebook timeline in one go, whether you're just rebranding or cleaning up your old posts or just want a fresh start, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all Facebook posts at once in a few steps. So for the first method, you can use a Facebook's Manage Posts. It works on mobile and also PC. So you can just open Facebook on your phone or computer. Tap on your profile picture to go to your profile. And in here, you can just select the scroll down to your post and tap on the three dots icon. And here you can just this three dots icon and go to the manage post options. And now you can use the select all options to you can just click on this ones right here, or you can also filter it. You can just click on the circle at the top of the post like this. And now you can just tap on next, and here there will be this option to delete posts. So you can remove the selected post permanently. So the second method, you can delete all Facebook posts instantly, but this is work only on desktop. So you can just open a Facebook in a web browser and go to your profile, and again go to the manage posts and use filter to select specific date range or type of post, and select delete or move to trash to delete everything at once. You need to know that deleted posts remain in the trash for 30 days unless you manually delete them, and you cannot recover deleted posts after permanent deletions. So you need to make sure that you don't need the post again before deleting. And for a full reset, you need to consider deactivating or deleting your account instead. So to sum up, if you want to delete a post on your Facebook, you can just go to your profile and go to this three dots icon and tap on the manage post options. Then you can just select the post that you want to delete from your Facebook. So did this help? You can comment clean slate if you're starting afresh. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.